the first step we're going to start with is just looking at what we're working with. Okay, so once you see what type of hairline you're working with, you're going to wet your baby hair brush, and you're going to brush the hairs on the lace. And it's best to do this because it's best to pluck lace or pluck hairlines when it's wet. It's more easier for you to do. So that's why I'm telling you to do this. So first you want to pluck at the hairline, and you want to just, every other space, you want to just pluck some little hairs out so it could just like knock the line out so you won't see any line anymore. So once you do that, then you go behind the hairline and you pluck that as well. As far as plucking, what you need to do is, it's basically like a grab, dragging motion. Well, that's how I pluck. So it's grab, drag, grab, drag, grab, drag, back. So you're dragging back and you're making like vertical spaces. Now, don't be scared to pluck, because some of y'all pluck too light and some people pluck too heavy. So you have to do it patiently and like at a medium like grasp and speed. So, you know, if you have to go at a slow speed, that's fine, but don't be like gripping the lace too hard and you pull and then you have a hole. See, that's what you don't do. So you just be patient and you're grabbing and dragging back every other space, because you want to leave some hairs that were already there when you first got the wig, because you don't want to be plucking everything back. Then you don't have like hair to make it look as natural as, you know, it will look if you left some spaces alone. So you have some unbothered hairs that you're not going to touch and some hairs that you want to pluck out, just to create your hairline like that, period. So that's basically what it is. Keep your brush wet. Keep your hairline wet so you could be easier to pluck and you can see what you're working with. And that's about it. So I'll show you before and after pictures, or before and after video clips of what it looked like before and then the after. And then also, once you're done, you're going to have a big ball of hair. It's just teased hair, so it looks like it's more than what it is. Most of the time, it might be a lot, especially if you have a thick hairline. So you just have to deal with it at the end of the day. I mean, it's really nothing major, so do not be scared of that. Like, it's something natural. Everybody has that big ball of hair at the end when they done plucking. So yeah, that's basically it. And here's the final product. And yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. If you have any questions or concerns or any advice you want to give me, or something I can help you out with more or explain furthermore, you know, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to respond to you guys and answer you guys as quick as I can.